Hi folks, I think I've identified a problem with the Oak Grigsby / Triton 4-way Tele switches that give you the series parallel positions. Bear with me because I don't know some of the nomenclature of these switches, but this one came out of a Telecaster, a nice Telecaster, American Telecaster, that somebody put in, and he was not getting, he was not getting his lead pickup. His lead pickup just died. He was getting all the other positions, but his lead pickup was dead. I put in another 4-way that came out of this package, and this was an Oak Grigsby. I think Triton and Oak Grigsby are one and the same. I can't really tell. Even if they're not, they look like they were made at the same factory. I think they both have this deal right in here, and that's where the problem lies with these. So what I found was that you can set the one that let's see if I can do this. The one that I had in this lead position, this swiper was touching this lug right here, and it shouldn't have been. So what I want to show you is, first of all, look at all the slop. Let's see if we can do this. Do you see the slop that's in there? And it's not so much that there's slop here and here, it's also that these lugs move back and forth. And on top of that, what I found out was that if you push on this, it moves all separately. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. It moves separately from the center. I don't know. This is like the axle that connects it to this. So this is one and the same. This piece and this piece are a rivet that this is connected to. So there's slop everywhere in this switch, and that's why it has trouble making its contacts properly. So if you've had trouble with a 4-way Oak Grigsby or Triton switch or any of the other plethora of 4-way switches that it now make, it's because of that. The way I temporarily solved the problem in the one that's on the guitar that just left here is I super glued right in here. And that super glue made it all connected the same, like it should have been from the factory. So there was none of this slop and then extra slop here. That made it so that it wouldn't touch the swipers right, or the lugs right. The swiper would touch the correct lug. Anyway, that's all I want to do is make that point. Maybe you already knew about this. Maybe you didn't know about it. What I will say is the 3-way CRL switch is the best switch ever made. It's been in the Telecaster and the Stratocaster forever. And that's what you should get, either a 3-way or a 5-way for the Stratocaster anyway. And CRL is got an external spring, and it's got a little diamond that says CRL in it. That's how you tell that it's a CRL. This Oak Grigsby / Triton or whatever this thing is crap. Do not buy these. And here's a side note. Oak Grigsby owns CRL, the company. So keep that in mind. Get your CRLs now before someday they stop making the CRLs so that all they can make is crap. All right. I hope this helps.